Have you ever pondered the raw power contained within a volcano? A question that might have crossed your mind as you gazed at a fiery spectacle on your television screen, or perhaps in person. Let's embark on a journey to understand these natural wonders, these colossal structures that have shaped and continue to shape our planet. Volcanoes. Volcanoes, in essence, are ruptures in the Earth's crust from which molten rock, ash, and gases escape. They are the Earth's way of venting its internal heat, a byproduct of the radioactive decay happening deep within its core. This volcanic activity is a vital part of the Earth's ongoing evolution, reshaping landscapes and birthing new land masses. If we were to count all the known volcanoes worldwide, the number would exceed 1,500. And these are just the ones visible above the sea level. There are countless more lurking beneath the ocean surface, silently shaping the seafloor. Volcanoes come in various forms, each with its unique characteristics. For instance, stratovolcanoes like Mount Fuji in Japan are known for their towering, symmetrical cones, built up by layers of hardened lava and volcanic ash. On the other hand, shield volcanoes such as Mauna Loa in Hawaii boast broad, domed shapes with wide, gently sloping sides, a result of fluid, fast-moving lava flows. And then there are calderas, colossal cauldrons formed by the collapse of a volcano into itself, creating a large, bowl-shaped depression. The Yellowstone caldera in the United States is a prime example of this type of volcano. From the fiery pits of Hawaii to the icy peaks of Iceland, volcanoes are a testament to Earth's dynamic nature. They are a constant reminder of the power simmering beneath our feet, a power capable of both creation and destruction. So, let's continue to explore, to learn, and to marvel at the intriguing world of volcanoes. But what causes these fiery mountains to erupt? Let's delve into the science behind these astounding natural powerhouses. Volcanoes are more than just mountains, they're portals to the Earth's fiery heart. The story of a volcanic eruption begins miles below our feet, where the Earth's crust is broken into large pieces known as tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit at a pace slower than the growth of your fingernails. When these plates collide, one often gets pushed beneath the other into the Earth's mantle, a layer of extreme heat and pressure. Here the descending plate melts and forms magma, a hot molten rock enriched with gases. This magma is less dense than the surrounding solid rock, causing it to rise, a bit like a bubble in a lava lamp. Now imagine a bottle of soda. The gas dissolved in the soda is like the gas in the magma. When you shake the bottle and then open it, the sudden drop in pressure causes the gas to escape rapidly, creating a frothy explosion. Similarly, when the pressure on the magma decreases as it rises towards the Earth's surface, the gas bubbles expand, pushing the magma out, resulting in a volcanic eruption. The explosiveness of a volcano, however, depends on the viscosity or thickness of the magma. Magma rich in silica, a common component of continental crust, is thicker and traps gases effectively, leading to more violent eruptions. On the other hand, magma with less silica, typical of oceanic crust, is runnier, allowing gases to escape more easily and resulting in gentler flowing eruptions. So, from the slow dance of tectonic plates to the ascent of magma and the role of gases, it's a complex interplay of Earth's geological forces that leads to a volcanic eruption. And while they may seem destructive, these eruptions are essential for life cycle, recycling nutrients and creating new land. Volcanic eruptions are a spectacular display of Earth's internal forces at work. Stay tuned as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of volcanoes. Before we sign off, if you found this exploration of volcanoes intriguing and want to discover more about the wonders of the natural world, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button you see on your screen. Let's continue this journey of discovery together. Until next time, keep exploring. Volcanoes might seem destructive, but did you know they play a crucial role in shaping ecosystems? Let's delve into the surprising ways these geological giants influence the world around us. One of the most significant ways volcanoes contribute to ecosystems is through soil fertility. As a volcano erupts, it spews out ash and lava rich in nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, and nitrogen. When this mineral-laden ash settles and mixes with the soil, it enhances its fertility. This enriched soil becomes an ideal ground for plants to thrive, leading to lush vegetation around volcanic regions. Volcanic activity also plays a pivotal role in shaping local ecosystems. The heat and moisture around volcanoes create unique microclimates, fostering a diverse range of flora and fauna. Many species have adapted to survive and even thrive in these harsh conditions, Some plants, for instance, have evolved to grow in soils heated by underground magma, while certain types of bacteria thrive in the boiling waters of volcanic hot springs. But the influence of volcanoes extends beyond the local level. They are also creators of new lands. When a volcano erupts underwater, it can lead to the formation of entirely new land masses. Over time, these newly formed islands become home to unique ecosystems, as species migrate and adapt to these novel environments. The Hawaiian Islands, for example, owe their existence to the powerful forces of underwater volcanoes. And let's not forget the fascinating array of life forms found exclusively in volcanic regions. From extremophiles, microorganisms that thrive in extreme conditions, to larger species like the Galapagos penguins, which have adapted to life on these fiery islands, volcanoes are hosts to a captivating variety of life. So, while volcanoes may be infamous for their destructive power, they are also crucial contributors to the planet's biodiversity. They enrich our soils, shape our landscapes, create new lands, and foster unique life forms. Volcanoes, in their own fiery way, are architects of life. Could volcanoes be the wild card in our climate system? This question leads us into the intriguing relationship between volcanoes and climate change. It's a complex, two-sided affair. On one hand, volcanoes can cool the planet, and on the other, they can warm it up. Let's start with the cooling effect. When a volcano erupts, it spews out a mixture of gases and particles into the atmosphere. Among these is sulfur dioxide, which reacts with water vapor to form aerosols, tiny particles that can reflect sunlight back into space. This can create a sort of shield, cooling the Earth's surface. It's not just a theory either. Real-world events have demonstrated this effect. For instance, the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines in 1991 led to a noticeable drop in global temperatures over the following year. But that's not the entire story. Volcanoes also release greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide and water vapor. These gases trap heat in our atmosphere, leading to a warming effect. It's a bit like wrapping the Earth in a warm blanket. However, it's important to note that while volcanic CO2 emissions may sound worrying, they're dwarfed by human emissions. To give you some perspective, humans emit over 100 times more CO2 each year than all the world's volcanoes combined. So, what's the net effect of these cooling and warming influences? Well, it's a matter of scale and timing. A major eruption can cause short-term cooling, but the long-term trend, driven by greenhouse gas emissions, is warming. In unraveling the relationship between volcanoes and climate change, we're reminded of past instances where volcanic activity has led to significant climate shifts. The power of volcanoes to change our planet's climate is a testament to Earth's dynamic nature. But as we grapple with the challenges of human-induced climate change, we can't rely on volcanoes to bail us out. We need to take responsibility for our own emissions. Volcanoes remind us of Earth's ability to regulate its own climate. But it's also a stark reminder that we, as stewards of this planet, need to play our part in maintaining its health and balance. Volcanoes, a paradox of danger and beauty, have fascinated humans for centuries. They are powerful, relentless forces carving out the landscape of our world and influencing our climate patterns in ways we're still striving to understand. Their eruptions, though destructive, are a sight to behold, a fiery spectacle that reminds us of the raw, untamed force of nature. It's a dance of flames and smoke, painting vibrant hues across the sky, an awe-inspiring display of power. Yet, beyond their fiery facade, volcanoes play a crucial role in our planet's life cycle. They nourish the soil with nutrients, creating fertile lands that burst with life. They sculpt our Earth's surface, forming islands and mountains that add to the diversity of our landscapes. So, let's appreciate the majesty of these natural wonders, the power they wield, and the beauty they create. Next time you see a volcano, remember, it's not just a mountain spewing fire, but a testament to the astonishing power of nature.